Good morning, students. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I welcome you to on structured syllabus-based online classes. Okay. Now, students, uh, we started our new chapter. The name of that chapter is The Journey of Food. And about that chapter, we will discuss little bit things, how we get food, what is the food. Okay, we discuss about that thing now. And we discuss about, or I explain you about the most three important thing that is most necessary for the living beings. What is that thing? And I also wrote their name. First is air, second is water, and third one is food. Okay. Air is most necessary thing for the living beings. Without air, we cannot survive on the earth. Now the water most helpful for the living beings, means either they are human body or plants or animals, each and everything, those have life. They need water and air. Without water and air we cannot survive on the earth, means these are the most necessary thing. But if you want to movement of your body, okay, if you need movement, means आपको अपने हाथ पैर चलाने हैं, तो you need which thing for that? Either you are human beings, मतलब हम इंसान हैं, okay, plants also need that thing, and the animals also need that thing. That is air and water, leave that thing, okay, that is the most necessary thing. But after that, this thing, food is the basic need of human beings. Basic need of living beings. Okay. Food is the basic need of living beings. Why we say the basic need of living beings? Because if you are living beings, okay, you are मतलब हम, तुम, मैं और लिविंग बींग्स मतलब जो लोग जिंदा है, दे हैव लाइफ, उनमें जान है, ओके, तो दे नीड फूड. वाई दे नीड फूड? वाई यू नीड फूड? आई आस्क यू, वाई यू नीड फूड? खाने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है तुम्हें? कैन यू लिव विदाउट फूड? यस, यू से यस, बट few months or few days without food we can live on the earth. But before that, what happened with us? If you don't take food or if you don't take anything, okay, so what happened with you? क्या होगा तुम्हारे साथ अगर तुम खाना नहीं खाओगे? Think about it. We are feeling very uncomfortable first. After that, भूख लगेगी, you are feeling hungry. Again and again you want to something eat, okay, and suppose you don't get food for 10 days or 12 days. What happened with you? Your body become weak. Why your body become weak? Because you don't have anything. आप कुछ भी नहीं खाओगे. So my question is, why do we need food? हमें खाने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है? तो we want energy. If you want to do any work means if you want to walk, if you want to talk, if you want to dance, okay, if you want to do any mental work, suppose if you want to do study, okay, so you need energy for that. for each and everything whatever you want to do through your body. For that you need food. Okay, clear? तो this is the I am saying you कि basic need means if you want to, basic means बहुत स्थायी ज़रूरत होती है. If you want to do any work for that through your body you need food. Okay, बिना खाने के हम कोई काम नहीं कर सकते. कुछ दिन कर लेंगे, उसके बाद हमारी बॉडी रिएक्ट करना छोड़ देगी. ओके, तो for that means if you want to get energy you eat properly. Okay, each everything means we divide food in the different category na. 2 category means sources of the food, that thing we discussed before that this lecture. Now here I tell you food is the basic need of living things. Okay, now why the basic need of living beings? Because living beings want to do work. For that work they need food. Okay, clear? Same thing happen with human beings, animals and plants. Okay, human beings prepare delicious food for that, and animals also those are the we divide the animals in the different categories na. Food and feeding habit I explain you in the class 3. According that they have their food. Okay, after that plants also prepare food for them. How they prepare? Through the photosynthesis. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis na. Through that plants prepare their food, means each and everything those have life. Okay, they prepare food for them. Why they prepare food for them? खाना क्यों बनाते हैं, क्यों खाते हैं? Because we want energy. Okay, if you need energy तो you eat properly. Okay, each and everything whatever the eatables, जो भी खाने लायक चीज़ें हम उन्हें खाते हैं. Okay, clear? Now after that in the last lecture we will discuss about the sources of the food. So we get our food from the means human beings. Here we are talking about the only human beings, not animals and plants. Okay, so human beings, the 2 sources of the food for the human beings. First is plant, second is animals. I am once again repeat for you. Okay, animals give us whatever the things, whatever we get from the animals. Animals give us milk, most and important thing. Okay, through the milk we prepare so many things: ghee, paneer, cheese. Okay, this thing we should prepare. Sweet dishes also, and we have it means we use curd also. Curd, so this thing we prepare through the milk. After that animals give us eggs, meat, chicken. This thing we get from the animals. Okay, now students, after that we will start whatever we get from the plants, food items. Okay, clear? This thing given in your chapter, what we get from the plants. Plants. On the earth, plants are the major source of food. Okay, clear? We get so many things from the plants. Okay, whatever you eat in your daily routine, कुछ भी हम खाते हैं daily routine में. Okay, we get from the plants. Now so many things given here. I am writing here the name. First, fruit. Next, vegetables. After that, pulses, cereals. Okay. Now, oil. After that, spices. And beef. Okay, these things we get from the plants. Fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, oil, spices and beverage. This thing we get from the plants. Okay, the detail form given in this chapter, all the things. Clear? What we get from the food, how it's work for our body. Same way, vegetables, what is the vegetable, why the vegetables important for the human body. Pulses, cereals, oil, spices, beverage. What is the importance of that thing? All the importance given in this chapter. Okay, we will discuss about that. Now, first thing, before that I discuss for you with you, that is the plants have different parts. This thing given in your chapter. Okay, I am not explain you step by step this chapter. Clear? We eat different parts of a plant. Different parts of plant as a food item. Okay, as a food item means we don't eat all parts of a single plant. मतलब एक ही plant के सारे parts को हम नहीं खाते हैं. Okay, we use different parts as a food item. Okay, this thing I explained you in the last year. Okay, if you remember that thing, once again I explain you. Means we eat root of some plant. Okay, stem of some plant, leaf of some plant, seeds of some plant. Okay, fruit of some plant. Clear? Means we eat different parts of a different plant. Okay, now root. We use root as a food item of which plant? Give me the name. You know the name? First is radish. मूली सब खाते हैं. After that, carrot. Okay. Now, why we eat only this part of that plant? Means radish and carrot. We only eat this part, only root. Why we don't use other parts, means leaf or stem? Because all the nutrients I explained you in the last lecture. Okay, food items have some substance in there, that is called nutrients. Okay, what is the meaning of nutrients? These are the substances, those are present in the food items. Okay, and in this plant, means radish and carrot collect nutrients in the root, all the nutrients. Okay, and human beings are very clever. जो हमारे काम की चीज़ होगी हम उसको खाएंगे, जिससे हमें एनर्जी मिलेगी. ओके, सो वी यूज रेडिश एंड कैरोट मीन्स रूट, दैट इज द रूट ऑफ दैट प्लांट. ओके, तो वी यूज ओनली दिस पार्ट ऑफ कैरेट एंड रेडिश. रेडिश इज root. Okay, clear? Now after that stem. Stem. Stem means हम इसका सिर्फ stem वाले parts को खाते हैं. Okay, the name of that plant is potato. Sugar cane. Okay, and ginger. Clear? Potato, sugarcane and ginger. These are the stem. Means हम जो आलू खाते हैं, that is the which part of the plant? The potato, sugarcane and ginger is the stem of a plant. Okay. Because all the nutrients collect on the stem of this plant. Clear? And I also told you na human beings are very clever and very selfish person. Okay, means whatever the important thing we collect for us, means potato, sugarcane and ginger, we use only stem of these plants. Okay, clear? Now leaf. We have only leaf of this plant. Name of that plant is spinach. Okay, spinach, palak खाते हैं. Okay, after that, and we also decorate our food item. मम्मी बहुत अच्छे से डेकोरेट करती है through the coriander. Coriander means धनिया पत्ती से. तो we use only leaf of that plant ना for the decoration. Okay, and next is mint. Mint is a पुदीना. पुदीना हम लोग यूज करते हैं ना for चटनी. Okay, तो these are we use only leafy part of this plant: spinach, coriander and mint. And these are the herbs. Okay, if we divide the plant in the different category, so these are the herbs, these are the small plants, very small plants. Okay, clear? So we use only leaf of this plant. Clear? Now seed. Seed, we use seed of so many plants. Okay, clear? Like wheat, rice, maize and oat. These are the seeds, and we use as a food item of seed of this plant. Means wheat, maize. Okay, after that oats, rice. These are the seeds. And another seeds we also use, but we extract their oil. Okay, they are the seeds, but we get oil through that seeds. Okay, now the name of that is groundnut, sunflower. Okay, mustard, soya bean. Okay, these are the seeds. These are the whole are the seeds, but we divide them in the different categories. Okay, groundnut, sunflower seeds, mustard seeds and soya bean. Through that seeds we get oil. Understood? Through that we get oil, and we use oil of this plant. Okay, and wheat, maize, oat, rice, these are the seed we use as a flour. हम आटे के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं इनका. ओके, Clear? But these are the which part of the plant? Of a plant? Seeds. ये सारे seeds हैं. Okay? But we use these seeds in the different ways. Okay? Clear? Now, fruit. We eat so many types of fruit. Some are juicy, different in the colors. Okay? Some have so many seeds, some have only one seed. Okay? Clear? So we write here name: mango, apple, banana. Okay? And there are so many foods available for the human body. Okay? Now, after that, dry fruits. Dry fruits. We get dry fruits also from the plants. Okay? And these are the so much rich with the oil. Okay? Clear? And they get more energy compared to other things. Okay? But it found in the dry, मतलब ये सूखे होते हैं. Okay? Clear? Now, after that, these are the different parts of different plants, and we have it. Clear? This thing given in your textbook, page number 27. Okay? I am not explain you 26 page. Before that means before the 26 page I explain you 27 number page. Okay? Clear? That is the vegetable. We get vegetable. Clear? From the which thing? Animals. Vegetables किससे मिलती है? Plant. Okay? Plant give us vegetables. But we don't eat the whole parts of a plant. हम एक ही प्लांट के सारे पार्ट्स को नहीं खाते हैं. We use different parts of a different types of plant. Okay? Clear? We eat roots of some plants. We eat stem of some plants. We eat leaf of some plants. We eat seed of some plants. We eat fruits of some plants. Okay? And dry fruits also. Clear? Now, next thing is given in your chapter, that is the spices. Okay? Spices is a different thing. And why do we use spices and what is the spices? Okay? We will discuss about after that. First, I once again repeat for you. Okay? We use different parts of plant as a food. Okay? Clear? Now, we use root of some plants. I give the name here: radish, carrot. Why we use root, only root of these plants? Because all the nutrients, means what is the nutrients? Meaning of the nutrients? These are the substances, those are present in the food item. Okay? So these food items collect in the root of this plant. So we only have it, means root of these plants. Clear? Now stem: potato, sugarcane and ginger. Potato. Have you seen potatoes plant? किसी ने देखा है पोटैटो कैसे लगता है? The potato have eyes, उन पे छोटे छोटे आंखें बनी होती है ऐसी. Okay? तो through that we germinate new plant. We cut these eyes, and if we plant in the soil, automatically it germinate and we get new plant. Okay? Through the stem. So now all the food nutrients collect in the stem of these plants. Okay? Potato, sugar cane means गन्ना. शुगर कैन तो सबने खाया ना, गन्ना सबने खाया ना. कैसा होता है? What is the taste of sugar cane? Sweet. And have you seen the leaf of sugar cane? सीन? यस, सबने देखी है. कलर इज ग्रीन ऑफ दिस लीफ ऑफ दिस प्लांट एंड यू हैव द लीफ. क्या आप उसकी पत्तियों को खा सकते हो? नो, बिकॉज द टेस्ट ऑफ दैट लीफ इज नॉट बेटर compared to their stem. Okay, because all the nutrients collect in the stem. स्टिक की तरह होता है ना, लकड़ी की जैसा होता है ना गन्ना. ओके, उसकी लीफ को नहीं हम खा सकते, लेकिन जो स्टेमी पार्ट, स्टेम जो है पार्ट, उसको हम खाते हैं क्योंकि वो मीठा है. एंड वी ऑल्सो मेक शुगर थ्रू दैट. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ जिंजर, अदरक को, है ना, हम लोग कैसे खाएंगे? ओनली डेड पार्ट, जो बड होता है, बड़ी पार्ट जो होता है, गठान जैसा बना जो होता है, उसी को खाते हैं हम लोग. वी डोंट हैव लीफ ऑफ डेड. ओके, आफ्टर डेट लीफ स्पिनच, पालक सबने खाई है ना. स्पिनच इज अ लीफ ऑफ अ प्लांट. वी डोंट ईट द रूट ऑफ दिस प्लांट, ओनली वी टेक ओनली leaf of this plant. Coriander, we use this thing as a decoration of the food item. Mint, we also prepare chutney through that. Okay, clear? Now the seeds, we divide seeds in the two categories. Some seeds we use as a flour or as a food item. Okay, and through the some seeds we get oil. I also wrote here name: wheat, maize, oat, rice. These are the seeds. Now groundnut, sunflower, mustard and soyabean, these are also seeds. Okay, but we get oil from that plant. हम इनसे तेल निकालते हैं. Okay, clear? Now fruits, we get fruit. Okay, some plants give us fruit. Okay, have you seen the mango tree, lemon tree, okay, papaya tree, and chiku tree, okay, guava, pomegranate. तो we take only fruit from these plants. हम उनसे सिर्फ फ्रूट लेते हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि पूरा आम का पेड़ उठा के घर ले आएंगे. लेके आते हो? देखा, इफ़ यू वांट टू लेमन तो जाके पूरा नींबू का पेड़ ही उठा के ले आते हैं? नो, वी ओनली प्लग दी फ्रूट फ्रॉम डेड प्लांट्स. हम सिर्फ उनसे फल तोड़ते हैं. क्लियर? तो वी गेट ओनली फ्रूट फ्रॉम डेड प्लांट, नॉट यूटिलाइज होल प्लांट. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ ड्राई फ्रूट्स. क्लियर? These are means we get vegetables from the plants and we use as a food item different parts of plant, but we don't take whole plant. Okay, means we say root. So I wrote here name radish, carrot. Okay, so we use only root of these plants. Why we use root of these plants? Because all the nutrients, means what is the meaning of nutrients? I explained you about that. Nutrients are the substance those are present in the food item. Clear? Same way we say stem. I wrote here name potato, sugarcane and ginger. I explained you that thing. Leaf, seed, fruits and dry fruits. Okay students, we say plants give us vegetables, but we get vegetables in the different ways and use as a food item in the different types. Clear? Now the next thing, now next thing, we get spices. the vegetables. Page number 27. Students, if you see the explanation part of each and every chapter, okay, so you keep your textbook with you. Okay, open the page number 27. Only 2 lines given about the which thing? Vegetables. Okay, but I explain you in the detailed form. Okay, what is given? Vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamins and minerals, what is the meaning of the vitamins and minerals? These are the substances. Those are present in the vegetables. Okay, clear? Now, they keep us healthy and save us from diseases. Okay, we eat different parts of plants as vegetable. I explain you this thing in the detailed form. And what is the present in the vegetables? Vitamins and minerals. We say vegetables give us vitamins and minerals. Why we say? So I explain you now about the substances. I explain you about the substances. These are the nutrients. Through that we get energy. Means, what is the color of the radish? I explain you. Nutrients. Okay. This is carrot. What is the color of the carrot? Tell me. What is the color of the carrot? Red. Okay. And that the color of the carrot is red. Okay. The red color is the substance. That is the nutrients. Okay. Clear? And fleshy part also rich with nutrients, we say. Okay. That is vitamins and minerals. Clear? Now, next thing, spices. Spices. What is the importance of spices as a food item? Think about it. Why we use spices in the food? हम ऐसे भी तो खा सकते हैं. We have some vegetable as a raw. हम कच्ची भी खाते हैं. Okay, as a salad. Okay. Now, why we use spices? We use spices in the food for taste, and color and flavor. Color and flavor. Okay. And taste. Both are the different. Flavor means flavor and taste. Flavor means, suppose you use chili in food item. Okay. So what is the taste of chili? Very spicy, बहुत चरखी लगती है. Okay. तो spicy is a taste. Now, if you eat any dish, okay, तो you taste it. सबसे पहले हम थोड़ा सा टेस्ट करते हैं ना. Okay. तो if you like that flavor, तो you eat quickly. आप उसे जल्दी जल्दी खाते हो. मीन्स यू लाइक द टेस्ट ऑफ दैट डिश. मीन्स यू लाइक द फ्लेवर. Right amount of the spice. Okay, right amount of the chili in particular dish. If you like that, that is the flavor. Okay. एक स्वाद होता है. टेस्ट और फ्लेवर में बहुत अंतर है ना. फ्लेवर मीन्स अगर अमाउंट ऑफ द स्पाइसेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फ्लेवर. अंडरस्टूड. टेस्ट मीन्स टेस्ट ऑल टाइम सेम. इफ यू ईट चिली, चिली इज़ वेरी स्पाइसी, बहुत ज़्यादा चरखी होगी. इफ़ यू टेस्ट सॉल्ट, दैट इज़ द सॉल्टी, नमकीन होगा. ओके. तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फ्लेवर एंड द टेस्ट. नाउ व्हाई वी यूज स्पाइसेस इन द फूड आइटम? फॉर द कलर. Why we say we use spices for the colors? Because spices have different colors. उनमें different colors होते हैं. Okay, if you use chili, chili red in the color. Okay, what is the color of turmeric? In Hindi, that is the haldi. What is the color of turmeric? That is in the yellow. Okay. What is the color of the coriander, dhania? That is in the color of coriander is green. Okay. Now, other name of the cloves, long. What is the color of the cloves? Brown. Okay. Now, saffron. What is the color of saffron? Orange. It gives the color, orange color to the food item. Okay. Now, ginger give the brown. Garlic means lasun. It give the white color of the food item. Okay. They have different colors. What is the nutrient present in the spices? They have color. Okay. Red chili, red substance present. Turmeric, yellow, that substance give the yellow color of the turmeric. Coriander, it is the brown or light green in the color. Cloves, brown. Black pepper, that is in the, what is the color of black pepper? काली मिर्ची का रंग कैसा होता है? Black. Okay. Now saffron, केसर का रंग कैसा होता है? Orange. Okay. Ginger, garlic, means spices have different types of colors. So it gives the color to the food item. If we mix chili in the food item, automatically food get red color. And we also add little bit turmeric in the food item. So our food item, our dishes get yellow color. Okay. Without this thing, we can not like the food items. Why? Because from the birth we have it. हम हमारे जन्म से इन चीज़ों को खाते हैं. ओके. तो विदाउट डेट वी डोंट लाइक द फूड. क्लियर? कोरिएंडर, क्लोव्स एंड these spices work as a herbs. ओके. ये एक हर्ब्स की तरह भी काम करते हैं, आयुर्वेदिक चीज़ों की तरह भी काम करते हैं. ओके. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाई वी यूज स्पाइसेस टू कलर. Spices give the color and flavor to our food item. If we don't mix chili, in our any dish. So what is the taste of that dish? Tasteless. हमें स्पाइसी फ्लेवर ही नहीं आएगा, चरका ही नहीं लगेगा. ओके, तो फूड गिव द फ्लेवर, स्पाइसेस गिव द फ्लेवर ऑफ द फूड आइटम. ओके, क्लियर? एंड color also. I explain you this thing. Clear? I read this 3 line, only 3 line given in the 27 number page. Okay? Spices. Spices add color and flavor to the food. They make food tasty and easy to digest. Okay? They are obtained from roots, stem, flowers and seed. Same way we use vegetable as a form of different parts. Okay, they are obtained from roots, stem, flowers and seeds. Some spices have medicinal values. For example, turmeric is antiseptic and ginger is used to treat cold and cough. Okay, as we use spices as an antiseptic. Now at present we also use, because we are facing very big virus disease, that is COVID-19. ओके, कोरोना वायरस से हम लोग फाइट कर रहे हैं ना. तो फॉर द, इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग, तो व्हाट वी यूज फॉर दैट? वी यूज गार्लिक. लहसुन खाइए, बोल रहे हैं ना, टीवी पे बताते हैं ना रामदेव बाबा. तो यू यूज गार्लिक एंड they give the another herbs also. Name of the herbs means कोरोना वायरस हमारे भारत में इतनी जल्दी क्यों नहीं फैला? The reason, most of the Indian families use spices in their food item. Chili, turmeric, cloves, black pepper, and these are the medicines, medicinal plants. Okay, these are the medicinal plants, but we use as a spices. So we are daily have it. Clear? So the virus don't affect our body. Clear? Now student, these 2 things we will discuss today. We get vegetable from the plants and we get spices from the plants. Clear? That thing given in the page number 27, and I explain you in the detailed form all the things. Okay, now tomorrow we will discuss about the cereals, pulses and fruits. Clear? We will discuss about that thing. Now after that I finished my lecture here, and you read page number 26, 27, 28 at home, and tomorrow whatever we discuss or whatever I explain you, to listen that carefully, and whatever I today explain you, read this thing once again in the textbook. Okay, I finished my lecture here. Bye, take care.